Hello everyone, thanks for joining today. Today we are talking about data science career. You want to build your career as a data scientist. So we will talk about what are the steps you need to take, what are the things you need to learn, and how you can become a successful data scientist. So for this, I am using Trello board to show you the steps. For data science career, you need to plan properly. Okay, like how you can plan is you can plan your education. Okay, we can categorize the things and step by step then cover them up. So education is must. Without education, it's impossible to get there. We will talk about that, what kind of education and how we can achieve it. Okay, then we can have another list of, for example, certifications. Okay, we can put this inside the education as well, but for now let's keep it separate. Then we move to internship. After the internship we will look for a job, and then we will plan freelance work. Okay, then we will go into that, how we can perform open source work or tasks. Okay, or we can call it contributions. Then you plan to have big company joining plan. Okay, or you can just say big companies joining. So for example, if our goal is to join Facebook, YouTube, Tesla, um, or any big companies like Amazon, so we will see that step by step. Then so this is the main layout for now. Let's go into it step by step and how it will involve. Then in the education, you needs a degree, obviously. Some peoples have a debate that you cannot have a degree. Without degree you can do things. Uh, I'm not sure about it. What they say, maybe it's possible, but I suggest to have a degree. BScs, BS IT, BS Data Science, BS AI. It depends which degree you have. It does not really matter right now. Okay, at this level. Then uh, then we can have some certifications, and which certifications are available and how we can do it. That is the next thing, right? So for the data science certifications we can touch Google. We can do uh, that upgrades certification. We can do the certifications from Coursera. So for example, on Coursera we have professional IBM data science certificates, right? So you can do that, and you can add in your CV as well. So first of all I will add Coursera, and in the Coursera you can do this certification. It's called IBM data science certificate, professional certificate. It's a very good career path. I did as well. If it's good for beginners, if you do that, you can go step by step into it. Let me pull that out for you so you can have a look that which includes in that. Okay, so you can do this IBM Data Science Professional Certifications. You can enroll and apply for scholarship, and they have told you that first course is what is data science, tools for data science methodology, Python projects for data science, databases, SQL, data analysis with Python, data visualization, machine learning, and applied data science capstone. So these are the main things you need to perform on Coursera, and I do suggest you all do this these certifications, because this will really increase your knowledge for data science, okay, and it will make your base, okay, for the data science. So if you go inside the what is data science, for example, you can see over here what you will learn. That learn new concept for industry experts, gain foundation understanding of subject or tool, developing job relevant skills and hands-on projects, and also you can earn and share your certificate with different peoples. So this is number one certification which you need to do in the data science. Then you can do few more courses, like you can also explore Udemy, okay. From Udemy you can do some courses, like for example, let me check it for you. There are few very famous courses which people are doing in data science. You can take those are not very expensive as well, so you can take any from them, like statistics masterclass, complete statistics, Python for statistical analysis. You can search out, and the courses I knew one or two courses which are top ranked as well. So like you can see, it has 1.7 million reviews, I guess. And similarly, there you can have this course for data science, complete data science bootcamp. You can do this one as well. Yeah, it has good ratings. You can do this one as well. Then in the courses, so we can add this one here as well. Okay, in this. Then after for some courses you can explore few more things, like you need to learn some basics for of the MySQL as well. Hello, because once you will learn MySQL, it will really help you in the data science projects. And I created a playlist for the MySQL, and you can explore that and learn from there as well. So where you can go to my YouTube channel, Code with Tosif. Okay, I will also give you the link, and here you can go into this MySQL complete course list. It is a complete course, and I will share this link in the comments in the description as well, and you can learn from it. Actually, I have developed a complete project in this tutorials, a real industry project, so it will give you a good grip over there. I will add this link over here in the certifications as well. Then internship. Before internship, I want you to do very important thing, that is called programming competitions. That really will boost your profile, so you can participate in university um competitions, okay. Whenever your coding competitions happen, that's you must need to participate in those. You can search about ICPC, inter collegiate programming competition, that is the world largest programming competition. You also need to explore it, and try to join this. And maybe in Pakistan it's also happening from recent years. Actually, I also participated in this one once in 2014, I guess. Then first time it was came to Pakistan. So you need to do that as well, okay. Then you must need to go to HackerRank. If you are familiar with that, fine. If not, do it right now, because that is that is the most important thing for you right now to do, okay. You must need to join HackerRank today and start solving the problems, okay, because it will prepare you for the interviews. It will prepare you for the challenges. It's very challenging questions. You can then participate in any programming competitions, and you can win the competitions, and also it will help you in the interviews and jobs and all that kind of stuff. Then you must need to participate in code jams from Google, because Pakistan is not at very high level in these, even though the Indians and other countries are performing much good with the Google code jam. You must need to participate into it and participate in these programming competitions. Okay, it's happening all around the world always, so you must need to participate in Google code jam. Okay, next thing regarding the programming competitions is you need to also participate in different hackathons, which is compulsory, I will say. Compulsory. You need to plan for hackathons. You need to find hackathons around you, whatever it's happening. Or I can give you one thing that is called dev post. So on the dev post you can always find the hackathons, and you can participate on those hackathons anytime. I must recommend you to do that, because that will change your life. Because hackathons are really. I also won two hackathons as well. Um, Let me check if that works. Okay, portfolio. Okay, you can see over here, I also won two hackathons, this one and this one. So that really helps me. It really helps that once you participate in the hackathons, you perform your task and all that kind of stuff. So you must need to, participate in the hackathons. Uh, it's my favorite thing. Next thing, you can, okay, that's already added. So these are major things like which can help you in preparing for the stuff. You must need to have a good profile on HackerRank. You need to have the projects on DevPost, hackathons. You don't win, that's fine. If you are unable, that's fine. But the participation is, must. So you can add in your CV, and also you can show other people's the open source projects you develop for the DevPost. Okay, so it will really help you in that terms. Then okay, before internships you need to prepare for interviews. For interviews, I highly recommend you to go to Algo Expert, and must learn things from there. They are very good peoples, actually, who works in Google, Facebook, and those companies. They have very good tutorials for you peoples, and they have very good questions to solve for you. And so for the interview you must need to visit this website and join it immediately. Then Geeks for Geeks is one of the most important website in the world right now. So I often keep studying from here as well. So you need to look into each and everything available for this. Like they have the Canon, so you can read it through. You can see the sample codes. You can load the CSV and see some data science work over there as well. So I highly recommend you guys to learn from the Geeks for Geeks website for your interview preparation. Then I highly recommend that you use ChatGPT for your interview preparation. How you can do that? That's very easy. If you go to ChatGPT, you can ask a prompt that um, please act as interviewer. Okay, and interview me for data science job. Okay, so these are the steps. Like it will start, you can perform over here. So it gives you some basic stuff, and then you can move on from there. these are some sample questions they give. That okay, interviewer asks, good morning, afternoon, thank you for coming for interview, let's start. Candidate says, good morning, afternoon, this is interview, ask this thing, then candidate says this. So like if we ask, that's great example how to handle the challenging data project, well done. Now let's shift our focus a bit. Data privacy and security are crucial in data science. How do you ensure that? So he says data privacy and security are indeed are most important in data science and blah blah blah. So must read it. Okay, prepare your notes for this and then so if you can go one more step further. Let's for example, you can say that let me answer a question, and then you validate the answer is correct or not. Okay, you say question was what is data science. Okay, and my answer for example is data science is a field in which we analyze the data to we analyze the data to find insights from it. Just for example, so let's say what it says, your answer is generally correct, but it could now benefit from some additional details. Indeed, a field on analyzing and interpreting data to drive insights, knowledge, and kind of that stuff. So this way you can um, you can talk with ChatGPT and ChatGPT. I don't know it's she or he, but you can talk with it and improve your skills. And and then you can do something like that. Ask me any data science question. Okay, so you can talk like that. Of course, feel free, ask any data science question. No, you need, let's say, how it says, need to ask me so I can answer, and then you can validate the answer. So apologies for the question. What is the purpose of EDA in data science? So EDA is necessary because we need to handle uh, null values. For example, we can say that let's say what it says for this. Thank you, Rufsan. While handling null value, indeed, one aspect of preprocessing, EDA serves a broader purpose in data science. So it's called data cleaning, data understanding, feature selection, data visualization, hypothesis, and hypothesis generalization. So it's giving you better and better answers. So let me ask it that ask me another data science question. It says, okay, what is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning in machine learning? Okay, provide examples of each. Okay, so now you need to look into this, that what is supervised learning and what is unsupervised learning, and then you will answer it. And then it says it will guide you. Okay, like for example, if you don't know the answer, you can ask it that please guide me, I don't know the answer. Okay, if you know the answer, just write it. Even it's slightly wrong, that's fine. You can say that okay, supervised is when the data is giving, the insights are giving, and then we perform over it. And then unsupervised, that machine can produce and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know the answer, please guide me. So this is your skill, that how you can talk to with them. Okay, so it's in supervised learning, you know that the trained data is given, and then you label data sets and all that kind of stuff. Unsupervised learning, that then the our algorithms are trained on unlabeled data sets. So this is how you can start preparing for yourself on ChatGPT. I can add over here for just skills for the reference. So this is how, these are I think major things. If you do these then that would be, very nice for you. Then for the internships, how you can find, then job leading, you can convert your internship into job as well, but you can start with internship first as well. Then how you can find the freelance work, open source contributions, then how you can join big companies. That all we can talk about, and in the next video. Stay here. Thank you.